Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to kick off a new series where I'll be providing you with premium UDP custom servers every week. These servers are designed to keep you secure, anonymous, and ensure you have a fast internet connection. More about VPN hidden tricks, please visit our blog before we start. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive into today's video. Before we jump into setting up UDP custom servers, it's important to understand how to use them with the HTTP Custom VPN app. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. First, open the Google Play Store on your device and search for HTTP Custom. Once you find the app in the search results, tap on it and download it. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a moment. After the HTTP Custom VPN app is installed, open it. You'll be on the app's home screen where you'll see various options and settings. To use UDP custom servers, you need to activate UDP mode. Look for the UDP checkbox on the home screen and tick it to enable UDP functionality. Now, you'll need a server to input into the designated field to start using fast UDP for a secure internet connection. Let's move on to how you can get these UDP custom premium servers. Finding reliable and fast UDP servers online can be challenging, as most available ones are either slow or offline. To solve this, I've created fast UDP servers specifically for our community. You can find the link to these premium servers in the description below for your convenience. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask in the comment section. Also, be sure to check back weekly for updates on new server files. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.